mint leaf. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you like how to make Mosoumbi glow mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cream into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lemon or lime juice into the shaker glass. Okay. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of pineapple crush, and you have to pour 180 ml of Mosoumbi juice. Yes. You have to pour 180 ml of Mosoumbi juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a pencil glass and you have to pour all the ingredients into the fancy glass. Then you have to add some more. Okay. Just okay. I forgot to add actually soda. Then you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay. Then you have to add granule syrup from the top of the little bit of granule syrup. Then you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices and mint leaf. Yes. Okay. So this is the Mosoumbi glow mocktail. Okay. So this is a refreshment mocktail you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.